famines and plagues and earthquakes in different places. It's interesting to me that the earthquakes come last. And various places, diverse, implying and almost not implying, but emphatically saying all over the place, earthquakes. Go to the National Geologic Survey, I think it is, and you'll see how many earthquakes there always are. And they're getting bigger. You look at the average. Ray, I'm pretty sure you watch that a little bit regularly, right?
Yes.
You look at the average size of earthquakes, they're going up. And that's what he said over in Luke. Great earthquakes in diverse places.